Here we come to one of the modernized elevators at the Omni Mansio del Rio in San Antonio, Texas. This is a modernized Otis from 2013. I just came here earlier ago and the doors were propped open into the elevator shaft, assuming that that is not working, but well, I stand corrected. It's finally working today, which I'm glad. Oh, we're gonna have a great motor on this. All right, 7. Awesome. Looks like there's another elevator or something. I think that might be the service behind. I don't know. Anyways, I want to get a full detailed cab view of this. I think I hear another elevator behind it. I think it might be the service. Yeah, listen, I hear the other elevator with the same exact motor. Anyways, this is just exactly the same cab like all the other ones. Look in the mirror. Hi. Anyways, I might go for one more ride. That was epic. All right, and there goes that motor. I think there's probably another elevator here, which is likely the service, which is why I hear that motor. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.